Hey everyone, welcome back to Neural Tech Analytics. Today we're unpacking something big, the different types of generative AI models, what they actually do, and how they're transforming industries in ways that are both practical and exciting. So let's jump right in. What Gen AI really does. Generative AI is a game changer, not because it thinks like us, but because it's incredibly good at one thing, repurposing data into brand new content. Whether it's writing, designing, coding, composing music, or even making videos, Gen AI tools are showing up everywhere, but they're not magic. These models work by recognizing patterns from huge datasets, all created by humans, and then generating outputs based on that training. Let's break down what kinds of models are out there and the kind of content each can generate. Types of Gen AI models and outputs. First up, image generation. DALL-E 2 converts text into detailed images. You describe it, it draws it. StyleGAN 3, great for photorealistic images like human faces or cars, even animates them. Stable Diffusion takes text or visual prompts and turns them into lifelike images and animations. Imagen, another powerful tool for converting text into artistic or realistic images. Adobe Firefly, designed for creative professionals, it turns words into visual art. Midjourney, known for its unique and artistic outputs often used by designers and creators. Then we have text models, ChatGPT. You probably know this one. It's a conversational AI that writes, explains, teaches almost anything you ask. OpenAI Codex, the engine behind GitHub Copilot. It turns plain English into code. Hugging Chat, a ChatGPT alternative built by Hugging Face, running on open models. Now onto audio generation. Jukebox by OpenAI composes music in different genres from just a prompt. Parlem 2, a versatile model that handles text, code, and some audio use cases. AudioCraft includes MusicGen, AudioGen, and Encodec for creating and refining realistic sound and music from text. Adobe's Project Music Gen AI Control gives musicians control over AI-generated music with editing features built in. Video generation is growing fast too. Stable Diffusion now supports video and animation through frame generation. Neural Radiance Fields, NAS, a cutting-edge tech that creates 3D scenes from 2D images. Synthesia makes videos using AI avatars and text inputs. Great for business explainers or training videos. And finally, multimodal models, the all-in-ones. Microsoft Copilot helps you write emails, generate reports, even create images and code, all from one place. ChatGPT 4o, OpenAI's newest flagship, it sees, hears, speaks, codes and draws, depending on how you prompt it. Gemini by Google handles text, audio, images, video and even programming, all in one seamless model. These tools are always evolving, and choosing the right one depends on your needs, budget, and how easy it is for you to use. Practical uses today. Now let's talk real-world value. Where are people actually using these tools? Content creation. Writers, marketers, even filmmakers are using tools like ChatGPT and Claude to plan, script, and even write entire books or campaigns. Visual arts. Artists use Midjourney or Stable Diffusion to create storyboards, mood boards, game assets, or entire comic books. Search and research. AI-powered search engines like Bing with ChatGPT or Perplexity give smarter summaries with source links, way more helpful than plain lists. Customer service. Gen AI chatbots are handling returns, support and inquiries at scale while still sounding human. Education, personalized tutoring, adaptive testing and curriculum planning, all possible with Gen AI. Journalism. AI helps journalists pull together facts and write quick updates on sports, weather, or market movements. Legal and data analysis. Lawyers use Gen AI to summarize case files, draft documents, and extract timelines. But remember, humans still have to validate everything. Marketing and ads. Need a dozen ad copies in an hour? AI's got it covered, and it's tuned to your audience data. Smart automation. Imagine asking your assistant to book dinner, confirm the ride, and summarize your emails all in one go. That's where Gen AI is headed. Let's clear the myths. Now let's separate fact from fiction. There's a lot of fear and fantasy floating around. Let's address a few things. Myth 1. Gen AI will take all our jobs. Truth? Like any technology, it will automate some tasks. But it also creates new roles like AI content editors, model trainers, prompt engineers, and more. Myth 2. Gen AI can create everything by itself. Wrong again. AI needs direction. The better your input, the better the output. Human creativity still leads the way. AI just speeds up the process. Myth 3. Gen AI is always right. Not at all. It can make things up, plagiarize, or confidently say something wrong. You need to verify. You are responsible for what gets published. So if you're using Gen AI in your business or brand, don't just copy-paste, review, tweak, and make it your own. At Neural Tech Analytics, we train you to use AI and data analytics the right way with real-world skills and industry-ready results. Visit our website to learn more.